Hi guys, Chet here. In this video, we'll review GoHighLevel SaaS feature. If you've been using GoHighLevel or are a fan of its capabilities, you might have heard of its SaaS mode, also known as GoHighLevel Pro. Now, this feature allows you to white label the entire platform and resell it under your own brand. Man, it really is a game changer for agencies or businesses looking to scale and create new revenue streams. But before we get into all the details, let me mention something really exciting for you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you'll get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a huge thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those critical first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it really is easy to get lost. So in my course, I'll highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth more than $900, but you'll get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link down there in the description. Simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting this channel. Now, let's dive in. GoHighLevel SaaS Mode is a unique feature within the GoHighLevel marketing platform that allows you to white label and resell the platform as your own software. This means that you can offer the same powerful CRM, marketing automation, and client management tools that GoHighLevel provides, but under your own branding. This feature is particularly beneficial for agencies or for businesses that want to offer their clients a fully branded experience, enhancing the value of their services and really distinguishing themselves from their competitors. SaaS Mode isn't just about offering a white labeled software solution, it's about integrating GoHighLevel into your business in a way that really streamlines your operations and scales your services. Once you set it up, SaaS Mode automates a significant portion of your business processes, from client onboarding to service delivery, making it much easier to manage multiple clients without the headache of handling each account manually. One of the great benefits of GoHighLevel's SaaS mode is its ability to centralize client management. This means that you can have all of your client interactions in one place. Imagine managing everything from email campaigns to social media interactions and lead scoring, all from a single dashboard. This centralization saves you time and boosts your efficiency. With GoHighLevel, you can easily handle multiple clients without any hassle. It's not just about convenience, it's also about providing consistent, high-quality service to all of your clients, no matter their size. The white label feature of GoHighLevel SaaS Mode is a real game changer. By branding the platform as your own, you're not just providing a tool, you're creating a branded experience. This experience is something that clients will associate directly with your agency. This approach significantly boosts your brand's value. It helps set your services apart from competitors, and clients will begin to see your offering not just as another product, but as a premium service from your agency. And as a result, you can justify higher pricing and enhance client loyalty. Reporting can be one of the most time-consuming tasks for many agencies, especially when managing multiple client accounts. GoHighLevel's SaaS mode makes this process much simpler with automated client reporting. With just a few clicks, you can create detailed reports that include your agency's branding, and this automation will save you time, allowing you to focus on strategy and execution. Moreover, it keeps your clients informed about their campaign progress in real time. This transparency and efficiency can greatly improve client trust and satisfaction. Scaling an agency involves bringing on more clients while maintaining high-quality service. GoHighLevel's SaaS mode makes the client onboarding process much easier. Now, with this tool, you can create client accounts, set up their service packages, and get them started with minimal hassle. This streamlined setup will allow you to scale faster and more efficiently. You can add new clients without facing the typical growing pains that often accompany expansion. One of the most exciting features of GoHighLevel SaaS mode is the chance to create new revenue streams. You can resell a powerful marketing platform under your own brand. This allows you to offer it as a standalone service or bundle it with what you already provide. This flexibility adds a new layer of service to your agency. It also helps you attract a wider range of clients. Whether you're upselling to current clients or bringing in new ones, SaaS mode opens up fresh opportunities for generating revenue. Now, let's talk about the cost. That's the important piece, right? GoHighLevel SaaS mode comes at a price that reflects its extensive features. If you choose the monthly plan, it will cost you $497 per month. However, if you opt for the annual plan, you'll get a discount, which can be more budget friendly in the long run. While $497 a month might seem high, the return on investment can be significant, especially when you consider what's included. For that price, you're going to get access to white labeling. This feature lets you present the platform as your own, complete with your own branding. You'll also receive unlimited sub-accounts, which means that you can create as many client accounts as you need. This is a major advantage for growing agencies that manage multiple clients' digital marketing efforts. Additionally, the package includes a full automation suite. This will allow you to automate almost every part of your digital marketing and CRM processes. You can manage everything from email campaigns and SMS messaging to sales funnels and even follow-ups. These features can save your agency countless hours and significantly cut down on overhead costs. Additionally, GoHighLevel SaaS mode integrates seamlessly with a variety of other tools, enhancing its functionality and ensuring that it works well with your existing operations. Whether you need email marketing platforms, social media tools, or lead capture solutions, GoHighLevel has you covered. Is GoHighLevel SaaS mode really worth it? In simple words, yes. The GoHighLevel Pro plan is best suited for mid to large size digital marketing agencies that need extensive CRM functionalities and are looking to scale by offering a branded platform to their clients. It's also ideal for agencies that require robust automation to manage multiple clients efficiently. While the cost is high, the potential return on investment is substantial. By using GoHighLevel Pro, you can potentially eliminate the need for multiple other tools, saving money and simplifying your tech stack. Additionally, the ability to offer a branded platform can help you attract and retain more clients, increasing your revenue. GoHighLevel has raised the standard by being the first to offer white label solutions for agencies and businesses. This feature boosts your brand's value and gives you a competitive edge in the digital marketing scene. By providing a powerful suite of online marketing and sales tools under your own brand, you can attract a wider range of clients. Additionally, this allows you to offer more value to your existing customers. However, before diving into SaaS mode, it is important to evaluate your current business model and client needs. Remember, this is a significant investment, so make sure that it aligns well with your existing services and meets client demands. And that is a wrap for today's video. I hope this review of GoHighLevel SaaS mode has given you a clearer understanding of what it offers and whether it's the right fit for your business. If you're ready to take your agency to the next level, don't forget to use my link in the description to get an exclusive 30-day free trial along with access to my full GoHighLevel Jumpstart course and more than $900 worth of high-quality Notion templates. These resources really are designed to help you hit the ground running and maximize your investment in GoHighLevel SaaS mode. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video to be helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. See you in the next video.